Hey there, happy Pi Day. My name is Drew Neerman and you're watching Data Unleashed, the video blog series dedicated to helping you get more out of your investment in Salesforce. Now, in honor of Pi Day, we're going to talk about how to make your Salesforce integrations as easy as pie. I hope you like that pun. That was free. Something that we hear about on a regular basis is that integrating with Salesforce can be quite difficult. Whether it's upstream, Salesforce is an upstream endpoint, or you're trying to pull data from Salesforce and move it downstream to do analytics or ETL, reverse ETL, data enrichment workflows, doesn't matter. Salesforce can be difficult to interact with from its API and governor limit standpoint. But there is a way to simplify this process. The company that I work with is called Capstorm, and they actually have a solution that allows you to replicate from Salesforce down into your own traditional relational database. And get this, when you're replicating down from Salesforce to this traditional SQL database, you're not just replicating the data, but the metadata and the schema as well. It does so incrementally as often as every 3 to 5 minutes. So when stuff changes here in Salesforce, you don't have to manually go and update this database. The software, the replication solution, does that automatically for you, again, within 3 to 5 minutes of real time. What a lot of our customers do is they use like Tableau, Power BI, Crystal Reports, or whatever off-the-shelf reporting tools they have in-house to analyze a near real-time copy of their Salesforce data off-platform. Now, let's say that you don't want to use a traditional SQL database as a repository for data analytics or ETL type workflows, and your organization is using like Snowflake or Redshift or BigQuery databases. You could also do that fully incremental replication of data, schema, and metadata into these new OLAP databases. Online political processing. And what this gives you the ability to do is not only get Salesforce data into a database, but it brings the schema of the Salesforce data, the data model down here, so that you can aggregate data from maybe an ERP system or an accounting system or a customer data platform. It doesn't really matter where it's coming from. Maybe it's a bunch of spreadsheets. And you can aggregate it in here in a way that is a carbon copy of your Salesforce data model and structure. So whether you need to pull data down or even push data back up to Salesforce after it's been enriched from different data sources, the process does not have to be painful. If you can get a copy of your Salesforce in your own database, all behind your own firewalls, there's so much that you can do with that data that you can't necessarily do when it's only native to Salesforce or inside the Salesforce application. So I hope you found this information useful. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to drop me a message on LinkedIn or reach out to one of our experts at capstorm.com. Again, my name is Drew Neerman. This is Data Unleashed, and thank you so much for watching. All right, let's have some pie.